Hello students, as I have taught you English lesson number 4, helping and sharing, today I am going to teach you a new poem. The name of the poem is Pretending. So let us get set to read this poem. Page number 56. Pretending. It's fun to be this. It's fun to be that. To leap like a lamb. To climb like a cat. To hop like a frog. To swim like a fish. To trot like a horse. To jump like a dog. I love to pretend these creatures to be. Yet, not one is clever at copying me. So, students, let us read this poem once again. The name of the poem is Pretending. It's fun to be this, it's fun to be that. To leap like a lamb, to climb like a cat, to hop like a frog, to swim like a fish, to trot like a horse, to jump like a dog, to love, I love to pretend these creatures to be, yet not one is clever at copying me. So, students, as I have read to you this poem, Pretending, now I am going to explain to you this poem. In this poem, the poet says that the little girl loves to pretend to be animals. She loves to leap like a lamb. She likes to climb like a cat, hop like a frog, and trot like a horse. The little girl feels happy to copy all of them, but feels more happy knowing that none of them is intelligent to copy her. So, children, sometime you also like to pretend like this little girl. You make sounds of cats, dogs, lamb, frog, and feel happy by imitating them. It brings happiness in your life, and you have lot of fun by imitating the animals, their sound and their way of walking. So, children, the poet says that we can imitate the animals, their sound, their way of walking, but the animals cannot imitate or copy us. So the poet feels very happy. So here we have the lamb leaps, frog jumps, cat climbs, fish swims, horse trot, dog jumps. So here this little girl feel happy to imitate all this animal, and she is more happy that all these animals cannot copy her. So the poet says that she can copy or imitate all the animal sounds and their way of walking. But she is more happy because all this animal cannot imitate her way of walking and talking. So students, you have to read this poem 2 times aloud. Here we have exercise. Enjoy the poem. Read the poem again. Write the action that these animals can do. Animal and action. Dog jumps. Cat climbs. Fish swim. Frog hop. Horse trot. lamb, lip. So this is the first exercise. Then we have the second exercise. Choose from the poem and name this animals. An animal that lives only in water. Fish. Fish only lives in water. If we remove fish from the water and bring it on the land, it will die. Second one, an animal that can live both on land and in water. Frog. Frog lives in water also and on the land. Four animals that lives only on land. Lamb, cat, horse, dog. They cannot live in the water. Lamb, cat, horse and dog, they live on land. Only frog can live on land as well as water. Okay, and this fish only lives in water and not on land. If we bring the fish on land, it will die. So these are two exercises. You have to complete these exercises on your English textbook, and I will send you the worksheet later on the WhatsApp group. So read this poem 2 times aloud, pretending. So study well, stay safe, and read your poem aloud 2 times. Bye.